All right, everybody, here we are back again. This time we are in topic 5, DQ1. All right, let me grab my pencil here. Let's get going. All right, first things first, everybody. This is a self-grading sheet. So this time the cell will have green on gray when it is correct, okay? What we are doing in this case is we are analyzing a test, a water treatment. We are testing whether the water treatment was successful or not. And so we have the data before the treatment, the data after the treatment, and we're going to look at the improvement of the data. We're going to find the mean, median, standard deviation, and range of all those. We're going to find some percentiles of those as well. And we're going to find the upper and lower limit for the empirical rule. That is the 68 95, 99.7 rule. It says 68% of the data lies within plus or minus 1 standard deviation of the mean. All right, that's what it says. Let's go. We're going to start, everybody, by working here in the improvement cell. Improvement, the formula right there says equals before minus after. So just type the equal sign, take your mouse, click on the before, subtraction, take your mouse, click on the after, hit enter. Notice it turned gray with green. Therefore, it is correct. Okay, now guys, watch this. This is the coolest thing ever. You're going to love it. You don't have to drag. You don't have to do anything. Watch, move your mouse right here by the lower right-hand corner. You see where it's a little square, green square in the lower corner, right corner? Move your mouse up there. When your mouse changes to a little plus sign, double click the left mouse button and it fills in all the rest of the way down. Boom, right? Isn't that cool? I was thinking the same thing. All right, now I'm going to do some of these and leave you guys with the rest of them, okay? So I'm going to take a look here at the mean, all right? The mean in Excel, this is the average. So I'm going to do average. All right, average. And then what do I want to do the average of? The before, okay? So the before is in column D. So I'm not going to go over here and drag down all that kind of stuff. I'm simply going to type in D:, D, close parentheses. In Excel, it's just going to grab that whole column. It's going to ignore the cells that are not numerical, okay? It will ignore the cells with any text in them and just look for numerical values. And just hit enter, okay? You're good to go. What do you think I'm going to do next? Same exact thing, right? Equals median, all right? Open my parentheses. You can see it pulling up there in Excel. Same thing, everybody, D:, D. Whoops, I got to type the D, don't I? All right, and hit enter. The standard deviation is STDEV. All right, close parentheses, D:, D again. Now, of course, when you guys do yours, you're not doing the before after this, right? You're going to be doing the before, then the after, then the improvement. So you're not going to do D:, D every time. It's going to have to change to E:, E and F:, F, right, for the respective column. All right, good. Now, just a little secret between you and me, okay? Don't tell anybody else. All right, guys. You can copy the data simply by pulling the cells, highlighting these cells, and pulling it to the right, okay? That's just between you and me, all right? I'm just going to tell you. All you got to do is write the formula once, and you can drag it to the right. All right, the range is the max minus min. Equals max, open parentheses, D:, D, minus min, open parentheses, D:, D. You don't have to even type these caps, everybody. You can just type them lowercase and Excel knows exactly what you're doing. All right, hit enter and we got it. Once again, all those values are correct. How do I know that? Because it turned as green font on the gray fill, okay? Now, everybody, this next one is not going to turn out very well because I haven't done the improvement data. You see there's no improvement data right here? All right. Actually, I can do the improvement data because it's in column F. So I'll show you guys one. All right, I'll just do one here with you guys. Equals percentile. Okay, open parentheses. F:, F. because the improvement is in column F, right? So that's it. Hit enter. All right. Oh, it says I entered too few arguments. I did. That's funny. I forgot my percentage, everybody. I want the percentage that is 22%. So go comma and 0.22. All right. Now 22% is what I want to find. Hit enter. And now it's right. Yes. All right. All right. Now, next, everybody, I want to find the empirical rule, which means I want to find the mean plus or minus the standard deviation. And I want to use the data right here. Okay. Right there in the improvement. That's the data that I want to use. Now, as you guys can see, that is empty. All right. So when I type this formula in, it's not going to be right. Okay. Watch. If it turns gray on green, I'll be surprised. Let's just check it out. It may equals the mean, right here, mean minus the standard deviation. All right. And it says it's correct. And it says it's 0. It's correct because I have the right formula. All right. Obviously, that's not the correct number. Okay. Because the correct number is going to be whatever is up in that table of data, but it's not there. So it's the correct formula, just the wrong number. Okay. And I just did the mean minus the standard deviation is what I did. Once again, the mean of the improvement minus the standard deviation of the improvement. If I click on this, you can see my cells highlighted right there, blue and red, right? So mean minus, you're going to do mean plus. That's the upper, and you're done. All right, guys, I think that takes care of it. Once again, don't forget your name. Don't forget to type your name in. Right here's a video. The same video is right here in this Excel sheet as is in the class, okay? So the video is embedded here as well. I think everything is good for you guys. All right. Take care. I'll see you guys in the forum. Bye.